Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Potato chat account. Let's get started. First of all, let's open up Potato. As you can see, I use my Android emulator, but you can do the same thing on your phone. Now you need to click on your profile icon at the top left. Click on it. Let's scroll down a bit until you find the account and security option. Now just click on it, and at the very bottom you can find the delete account button. Click on it if you want to delete your account. Are you sure to delete the account? All information of your account, including message records, contacts and moments, will be deleted. Click on delete, and you need to fill in the input box below delete. Let's type it here and click on confirm delete. Account has been deleted. You can undo it or just delete. That's all. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.